Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Good with your weekly update. The removable traffic control bollard installation starts this week in several locations in the downtown area. A bollard is a short vertical post used to safely separate pedestrians from vehicles. The city has been using bollards on Whiskey Row during special events for several years, and they have been very effective. The installation process requires the intersections to be fully closed for 24 hours a day for 8 to 10 days. From March 10th through the 18th, intersections at South Cortez and Gurley Street, as well as on Cortez and Union Street, will be closed. From March 19th through the 27th, the intersection of Montezuma Street and Gurley Street will be closed. Detour routes will be posted during the closures and clearly marked. On-street parking restrictions will also be in place during the construction. Next month, from April 14th through April 22nd, the intersection at Montezuma Street and Willis Street will be closed, and this will be the final installation location. Thank you for your support and understanding so that we can ensure the public safety during the various parades and events that occur in downtown Prescott. The Prescott Tourism Office, also known as Experience Prescott, is accepting applications for tourism grants through Friday, April 4th, 2025 at 5 p.m. Tourism grants are designed to assist registered nonprofit organizations hosting events in Prescott between July 1st, 2025 and June 30th, 2026. The goal of the grant is to encourage event marketing outside of the Prescott area to encourage overnight visitation. Tourism grants are funded by the city's transient occupancy or bed tax. Events are eligible for up to $5,000 depending on their rating and how many organizations successfully apply. The grant is available only to Prescott registered nonprofit organizations. Grant applications must be turned in no later than Friday, April 4th, 2025 at 5 p.m. Past applicants and new applicants are welcome to apply for the grants. All grant materials, including the application, a guidebook, and other resources, is available on the official website experienceprescott.com. The annual Household Hazardous Waste event is underway in the City of Prescott. This allows residents, not commercial accounts or apartment complexes, to safely dispose of unwanted household hazardous waste. Pickup dates will continue through March 28th. However, you must pre-register. Registration runs through March 21st. Please check the PrescottRecycles.com website to see what is allowed and what is not allowed. All items must be placed in a box labeled HHW in front of your home 6 to 10 feet from your curb so it can be safely and easily seen by our contractor for pickup on your scheduled day. Please call PrescottRecycles.com team at 928-777-1116 if you have any questions. Prescott voters approved Proposition 478 on November 5, 2024. Establishing a 0.95% public safety sales tax. I want to once again express my appreciation to the Prescott community for its support of our public safety personnel. As the voters approved, the City of Prescott's transaction privilege tax, frequently referred to as a sales tax, will increase from 2% to 2.9% effective April 1st, 2025. With this change, the new combined tax rate, state, county, and city, will be 9.3%. Additional tax rate information is available on the Arizona Department of Revenue website, www.azdor.gov. By the way, we are frequently asked why we call it a transaction privilege tax. That term is not something made up by the City of Prescott. It is the official title of the sales tax as stated in Arizona law. The Arizona Department of Revenue website explains, although commonly referred to as a sales tax, the Arizona Transaction Privilege Tax, TPT, is actually a tax on a vendor for the privilege of doing business in the state. Nearly all vendors pass that tax on to their customers. Council is considering establishing a business license program which would apply to nearly all brick and mortar and home businesses that reside within the city, and also some that do business in the city. The city has set up a brief survey about the proposed citywide business license. The deadline for completing the survey has been extended until next Monday, March 17th. Businesses located in or doing business in the City of Prescott are encouraged to respond and offer their comments. Results of this survey will be shared with the city staff and council before a final decision is made in a future public meeting. City Council will meet tomorrow, Tuesday, March 11th. The 1 p.m. study session will update the Council on the Pavement Management Program, and we will also have a presentation and discussion regarding the Prescott Lakes Planned Area Development Master Plan and the Development Agreement. During Council's 3 p.m. voting meeting, we'll have a public hearing about the Home Rule ballot proposition, and we also consider updating the city's pension funding policy. In December of 2024, Council discussed the need to update our city vision and mission statements. Staff and Council have been working on this, and new statements are being presented for consideration during the voting meeting. Finally, we will also discuss, review, and possibly approve the updated City of Prescott 2025 General Plan. Once Council approves it, the General Plan will be placed on the ballot for approval by Prescott voters. Other meetings this week include the Tourism Advisory Committee, Wednesday, March 12, 2025 at 11 a.m. in Council Chambers. Also on Wednesday, the Airport Advisory Committee meets at 2 p.m. at the Airport Old Terminal Building. Friday, the Prescott Preservation Commission meets at 9 a.m. in Council Chambers. And the City Council Subcommittee on Appointments is seeking applications from citizens who are interested in serving on various city boards, commissions, and committees. There are openings on the Building and Safety Advisory and Appeals Board, the Fire Board of Appeals, and the Workforce Housing Committee. Boards, commissions, and committees provide opportunities for citizens to take an active role in their local government, and I encourage you to consider applying. Applications are due by 5 p.m. on Friday, March 28, 2025. The City of Prescott Civic Enhancement Committee is now accepting Acker Trust grant applications from eligible nonprofit organizations that promote music in parks, especially for the children of Prescott. These nonprofit organizations are encouraged to apply for funding for fiscal year 2026. The application filing deadline is 5 p.m. this Friday, March 14, 2025. Applications are available on the City of Prescott website. I'm Mayor Phil Good, and I'll update you again next week. Thanks for watching.